Getting rid of our junk wheel bearings. I ordered the Fast Eddy bearing kit. The first thing we're going to do is remove the tire. Once we have the tire out of the way, we can remove the clip off the axle. The best way I have found is a flathead screwdriver. Next, we can remove the wheel driver nut. Next, you will need a 2mm hex to remove the 2 screws on the side. After that, we will have 2 pins to push out on the opposite side of the screws that you took out. I just use a smaller hex key that will fit inside the hole. Once you have your pins out, your hub assembly will come out. Next thing we're going to do is remove our bearings. I use my hex driver. You can use a screwdriver. Make sure whatever tool you use, you put on the metal part of the bearing to get it out. Sometimes they're a little tough, so you'll have to pop them out. Inspect the bearing once you have it out. If the bearing is still good, set it aside to clean it later. All I use to clean the bearing is a dry paper towel. Go ahead and wipe all your parts off before you start reassembling. Take your old bearings and compare them to your new bearings to make sure you have the right size. To reassemble, I put the inner hub bearing on the axle first. Then I slide the axle through the hub. Once you have your axle through your hub, you can put your outer hub bearing on. Once your hub and axle is together, you just reassemble. The hub on the front is a little different, but the process is still the same. The only difference you will have is your steering linkage will be connected to your hub assembly after your hub assembly is off. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.